Hello, welcome to another Yard of the Week. This is the big one out here at St. Andrew's Church. About 6:30 in the morning. It's pretty much just sun up, so we're gonna get started on this one. Probably be a 2-day thing in all honesty. As you can see, it rained a little bit the other day, and this front lot here, it never drains. I mean, it takes bloody forever for it to drain. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna get on the stander here first and probably start on one of these other lots over here. Because I typically mow first at this property and then trim second, edge third. Typically the order I go in. A lot of jobs I trim and edge first and then mow and blow last, but for this one, I think it makes sense to do it the other way. So that's what we're gonna do. Grab our safety gear here. Gonna check the oil first on the mower before we get her out and get going. Good idea to check your fluids regularly. Figured it wouldn't hold too well. know I'm cutting in kind of an unusual pattern, but just trying to do that since I'm recording. I gotta constantly move the tripod around a little bit. Probably go to time lapse for a lot of these areas because they're just larger and take more time, but we'll do some real-time footage here. Put the camera here. Best course of action. Another reason I'm cutting it a little weird here is because of these ruts that are in the lawn. You can tell people drive through here sometimes at night. Is what it is. I did the back field lot over here yesterday morning. That back field's about an acre large. So that's a big, that's a big part of this property is that big back field. So we got that taken care of last night, or yesterday morning rather. All right, let's get some more footage here. well, this day did not go as planned, unfortunately, as it is raining. I'm out here trying to wrap up St. Andrews here. I ended up having to come back. I had to leave and come back later this afternoon because of they're having a rummage sale today for I guess they're just selling off unused church items or whatever. Yeah, they're doing it tomorrow as well, so just here kind of waiting out the rain. See if it quits. I've literally only got that one little island to do and then a little bit of trimming. So unfortunately that's the one island that holds all the water. So might have to push mow it. Oh, we'll see. All right. Well, waiting in the rain. Mowing in the rain. Let it rain. Let it rain. Just not today and not here. Somewhere else. Well, I got most of that front field lot there mowed. You can still see some of it. That's tall, but can't be mowed with our boy Moriarty here. Unfortunately, it's going to have to be push mowed, which I'm fixing to do in the rain. So here we go. It's going to be a wet one. Trying to wrap up, but this rain keeps coming. Had a good solid 35 minutes of no rain, and here we are again. Oh, wow. And there you have it. Rain and all, St. Andrews is done. We got it finished up, barely. We just got the blowing done, and it's pouring rain again. So yeah, fantastic. Oh man, what a wild day. Still have one more to do technically, that little baby copy place, but may not do it today. So I mean, heck, as much rain as this is, man. Thank you for watching and enjoy this very soggy yard of the week.